Right. Finally, I would like to invite Mr. Harsha Vijayawardena, CEO of Theekshana, who has contributed immensely towards work on Sinhala Unicode and was a member of Internet Committee of the Council for Information Technology, where work on implementation Sinhala Unicode began. He has been a member of the Local Language Working Group of ICTA and is a member of the Sectoral Committee on ICT of the Sri Lanka Standards Institution. I would like to invite you to give the vote of thanks.
Mrs. Samarnayaka and Mr. Janth Phanuman, Chairman ICTA, and my friend Gihan and Jantha and Vasantha. And I think it's a great privilege for me to do I forgot the Aruni also. I'm just about to say. My task is actually to do a word of thanks, but I have to say a few things before I do that. Because when reminiscing the past, there are two things I remember very vividly. One was Gihan coming to my lab one day, asking me about Rakaranse and Yanse. So he came and said, Harsha, now, so this is after all of this ICT committee, our internet committee. And he said, I don't know where the Rakaranse and so why they were not encoded. So, so my answer was, well, I don't know. I better go and ask Mr. Nandasara. So I ran to Mr. Nandasara and I asked. He said, go and ask Professor J.B. Dissanayake. So I went to Professor J.B. Dissanayake and then back to, he said, no, actually you have to go and ask Nandasara. I don't know what that is. So anyway, I returned without an answer. And I remember vividly that it's like in my mind, both of us, and at that time, Ruan was on sabbatical. So we didn't know actually what it was, but we worked on. And another picture that I really will remember was because I would have not been here doing Sinhala without Professor Samarnayaka. I mean, like you, so I think I took the torch subsequently. And one of the things that I have to emphasize, Prof never knew Sinhala Unicode worked. When he passed away, actually, I must say that he had not seen Sinhala rendering. And, but I think he was blamed for so many things, I remember. So I must be thankful to him. And so that brings to this interesting, because you talked about Channa. One day Prof called me, that was Syntech time. I think we will remember that was Syntech. This is the transition between the India, Microsoft taking care of Sri Lanka and Microsoft coming to Sri Lanka. So Prof called me and said, so at that time I was working, right? I don't want to talk about how that happened also, but that one day I will talk about in my memoirs. But he said there is a vice president of Microsoft coming to Sri Lanka. So why don't you go and, by that time I have figured it out that without the rendering machine, Windows working, we could not do Sinhala. So Prof said, why don't you go and speak to Microsoft vice president? So I dashed out and I had to drive with none other than the present director of UCSC, Professor Hewagamage. He had just returned from Japan. Mr. Samanthilaka was at that time. He was also there. So I went and I walked in. The only thing I said only very few words. I said, we want the Sinhala. I was thrown out of the room. He said, I remember vividly the Microsoft director telling me, at that time there was an Indian country manager was also here, telling me that we are not going to do Sinhala. You know why? You guys are not, enforcing our copyright laws in Sri Lanka. Literally, he threw me out. And so I came out and I remember vividly, I sat in the lounge, and Indians are like totally, I mean, they were not there what they were doing. So I want to do Linux because that's the thing that I had in my mind. I came back and I told Prof, it's off basically. And in the evening, Indians came and they were very apologetic. So that's the first time I felt so proud of being Sri Lankan. And to use Sinhala, anyway I wanted to do Sinhala somehow. So then when I was so bad, I mean, basically, there was one of my students named Samara Vikrama. So he knocked on the door and he walked in. And he said, why, sir, what's the problem? So I said, there was this issue. He said, you know, my first cousin is working for Microsoft. So I said, who? Prasanna Samaravikrama. At that time, I don't know if you remember Prasanna Samaravikrama. He was my classmate at Ananda. So I vaguely remembered that. So I said, is it Prasanna Samaravikrama? Yes. Then he said, no, by the way, he is now the person who is taking care of the, what you call the Sinhala at the Microsoft in Redmond. So we had to bypass now this guy was a Costa Rican vice president. So anyway, I went and told Prof, there was this thing. I think subsequently, I don't know if you wrote or Prof wrote. Prof wrote to some Prasanna, and from there onwards, the history changed. So that is how in 2005, Sinhala was out. So one thing I had to tell you, there's another incident. I don't know whether it's okay for me to talk about that, I think. So there was this thing about Colombo doing all Sinhala work. So the Prof was of the view, it should be done somehow in Colombo. What Gihan didn't know was, one night, I don't know if someone remember, I sat and convinced Prof for about 2.5 hours that we should collaborate with Gihan. So that collaboration made, I mean, I had to tell you, otherwise my belief is without coming together, we would have not done any of those things. It would have waited until 2007 when Unicode became the standard. I mean, at that time it was not the standard. Even today, I believe there are a lot of work we have to do, especially Rakaransi and Rapia. I believe they should have been encoded. The other thing is, so those are things I want to say. I have a lot to say, but the time does not permit me. But so I have to be thankful to Gihan, and we worked very closely, and I think subsequently, a lot of work was done behind the scene. One day I want to say something also, what Vasanta said. A lot of things were done. Billions were spent. But I'll tell you this, Sinhala was done with a minimum amount of money. But that remains. So that you can see the dedication. It's not the money, but the passion that we are talking about. So there's another person, actually, Ruan, he's not here. I think he took the torch from Prof. So we worked together. And today we talk about Sinhala with all these, I think I would call them musketeers. So we carried should have. So I have to I want to pay a tribute to Professor Samaranaika. And although there was so much he got better because of this, I would not forget that. I should not. So Aruni, it was a great book. So I read it in I opened the book. I'm a bookworm, as Vasanta is. I love books. I read from cover to cover. Then I couldn't believe that it was me who was there with Gihan and I were standing, looked at it and said, oh, I was thin those days. My daughter said I was thin. And so I challenged my daughter to identify me. So, oh, you were thin those days. So anyway, let me read what Aruni wrote, basically, and let me read that basically word of thanks. So thank you very much, Aruni, what you have done a brilliant job, right? So that also, right? So let me thank. So I'm now thanking on behalf of her, right? So she had said, Professor Gihan Dias, of course, that we have to thank to him, who thought of the necessity to document, and I believe that should have, anyway, that is the call of the day. What was done in enabling ICT in Sinhala and Tamil, this is needed for posterity. So of course I have thanked you twice now, I think, right? The LK Domain Registry, its chairman and the board, my good friend Jayanta. I remember you about when we were doing this numerals, how many times, right? Subsequently, there was something else. I think a lot of people, we went and fought and got the WG2 in Sri Lanka. Michael Leverson came to Sri Lanka, right? So we did it. Yeah, and we got the voting rights. So that's the first time Sri Lanka had the voting rights. We got it, right? And we got the voting rights. Yesterday, I got ISOC SC2, the ballot one. I can't open it. I don't have the password. The document had been sent to me. So I think this is the right time for the chairman ICT is here. I think I'm pleading you to look at, and I don't know, so I can't open it. So when they type. So I can't read now what is in the ballot, basically. So I'm sorry about it. And Chandra Bindu, they have put it in. Let me tell you a Chandra Bindu. No one knows how to put it in transliterated Sinhala. The rules, we don't know how to do it because never in Sinhala, Chandra Bindu is used when they translated Sanskrit. Right? Anyway, that's staff of the LK Domain Registry, and they're streaming today. So thank you very much for all your efforts. This is specifically Ms. Shamali Pereira. Shamali came so many times to my office, who had designed the book, and Ms. Niroja Jayawardena. Thank you very much. And Sampath and the tech team for doing all of that work. Mr. Pushpanand Dekanayak, I saw him down there. I think it's a beautiful cover. That's beautifully done. For most appropriate, beautiful cover design. Everybody in the private sector, in the state sector, in the universities, and also individuals who work so hard and effectively throughout the years on enabling ICT in Sinhala and Tamil, and whom Aruni has mentioned in the book, acknowledgement. Everybody whom Aruni interviewed and provided with information, all those who helped Aruni effectively read the book, particularly those who did the comprehensive final reviews. Ms. Janaki Mampitiya, Mr. Lal Chandranath, Mr. Vasant Deshapriya is here. The former chairman of ICTA, Professor V.K. Samanayaka, who was a pioneer in this area, and Professor P.W. Apasinger, and the former CEOs, Mr. Manju Hattatua, and Mr. Reshan Devapura and the leadership team, Reshan, Jayanta, and Vasanta, for the support rendered towards the local language initiative. And lastly, gracing this occasion, and I know that a lot of work has to be done, and Mr. Jayanta De Silva and Mrs. Samanayaka and Mr. Vasant Deshapriya is also here for everybody who participated in this event. Thank you very much. Whom I have not mentioned, I'm sorry. The blame should not go to me, or I don't know whom. Thank you very much.